Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I just want to share this video with you for you to rate it for me if I'm to do a tutorial on that so that you can know how to do it. You comment it below. I'm just going to play the video, so you just watch the video and rate it for me. If you need such tutorial, you just comment it.
Your life is a tapestry of
What swana bolombolo bakasi? Bebelube ke subeya tu pantaya. Abwa!
Are you a cultist?
Together must we chase parambus. Together must we give popo chase. Together must we give green para chase no be chase. Abwa! Arua. Abro!
I have a good news for you. Grok AI, they are trying their best to bring in motion control. There is one motion control that I do using Grok, so I'm going to show you how I do using Grok. When you go to Grok, just open Grok on your phone. You click on imaging. You get to see great from template. You see that funky dance. Yes, funky dance. When you click on funky dance, try to bring in any of your photo that you want it to do the motion control, just like Grok AI. So I will use this baby and allow it to generate. Let's see what we will have. Wow, it's bringing in motion control just like Grok AI. Have you seen it? Sorry, I've muted the music. So what will happen is we download this one and get to generate another one, maybe this soda pop. We bring in the same this one and allow it to generate. Let's get to see what we will have. Wow. Wow, we get to download this one. You see that Grok is upgrading bit by bit. Then let me just show you what I mean that Grok are coming up with their motion control that we used to see in Grok AI. Grok is upgrading to that motion control. I saw one template like that, like motion control, so I'm going to show you where I found it. But after showing you, I'm going to play one video that I did using Grok too. So I just want you to rate the video if it is nice, or if you want me to show you do tutorial on that, then I can show you. So let me show you the two videos. So the first video on Grok that
Your life is a tapestry of
What swana bolombolo bakasi? Bebelube ke subeya tu pantaya. Abwa!
Are you a cultist?
Together must we chase parambus. Together must we give popo chase. Together must we give green para chase no be chase. Abro! Arua. Abro!
Okay, thank you very much for watching that short video. Please rate it below if you want me to grade tutorial on how I made the video, like it's a ghetto movie like that. You want me to show you the tutorial on how I get to get the voice, do the video like a ghetto way, comment below so that I will know that my followers, my subscribers need such tutorial. Then I'll create a video on how I made it